In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset TradeZella account. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the Add Trade button top left. You want to select your account, which you want to reset. And the quickest way to do this is by clicking on those three dots at the very far right. And then here, click on Clear Trades. What this will do is basically it's going to clear all trades. All you have to do is type in Clear All Trades like this. Press on I'm sure clear all trades, and that's going to do it. However, if you want to completely reset your account, what I would recommend, and if you're okay with that, I would just delete the account and then re-add it. Okay, so click on those three dots, click on delete account. I have this paper trading from TradingView over here. You can click delete account, and then you can just basically type in whatever it says up here. So delete account with 2 trades. I've typed that in already, so I'm going to click on I'm sure, delete my account, and then whenever you've done that, click on add new account, find your account. So it was TradingView for me. Click on it, click continue, and you can just re-add it. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.